quite well.
I didn't get the first demonstration, Jules.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like up and down. Okay, do it up and down. Up and down. Okay. Okay. Hey! Look like a sugar.
So in this case, the bottom goes in this way conditions, okay? This.
I don't know if I can do that.
Number 3.
Booty.
Thank you, you are very advanced.
Oh my God. Popping.
Popping.
Oh my God.
So it's a little bit of, both of them.
You see the arrow?
You just sometimes try to hop and then round around. Ahead. You are so advanced.
Oh my God. Which one is that one? I don't know that one. That one is
She just volunteered to demonstrate.
Look at the right. You see the arrow? Come and demonstrate the round and round.
What is this?
You start small and then you go bigger, Ahead. Like that. And then
Shit, thank you.
is everybody keeping up with this? Does everybody understand?
Yes.
I don't understand the side to side and everywhere. You said.
I'll show you.
Okay.
You go left, then you go right. Then you go
You
around.
see?
She's so advanced.
1.4, you can mix it up. You don't have to go all 1.2, 1.4. So you can go 1.3, 1.1, 1.4, 1.2. You go 1.2, 1.4.
I'm feeling like it has first.
Okay.
Oh no!
She just went so bad.
Careful.
It's
Not too hard. Mild.
So now I see something like it's so shaken.
You know how to do that.
I'm feeling like this.
No, you don't pop it.
What is this?
No?
Put your back into it.
Pop it.
Okay. So now, round around in circles.
This is your one. This is the one for you. You know this one. What's your
You show us this one now. You must not share yourself. Class, are you ready for mine? We are astronaut shaking.
Now do it in seconds. Okay. Now you did them all. I want you to combine everything. Simple flow.
Okay.
Not broken up into pieces. So once you do it.
Now coordination, this is your test.
All
How
together.
to get it? There's a capsule of this thing. You must just show something
You have to do it. Now 1.2, 1.4, 1.1, 1.3. Then you can mix it up again. Put 1.2 again. 1.4, 1.1.
I don't understand what how it's like.
Yes. Do it. So you have to do this thing for her.
Abby, play some Ghanaian music.
We need a lot of
Ah.
I need, who I sent it? I just want
Well
It's
done.
coming.
Keep practicing. It's coming.
Good hand.
Okay. Right show. Combination.
Drop it like it's hot.
Get to here.
Shut up. Can you please text me? Concentrate. She's high level.
Pop it. Round and round. Drop it like a pot. Drop it. Drop it like a hand. So shake that. Round again. Drop it. You have nothing to finish up. She has passed, okay? Thank you, everybody.